If you're putting in the work but not seeing the income, you're not alone. Many YouTubers with thousands of views still earn just pennies from AdSense. But there's good news. You can boost your income significantly with affiliate marketing and PPV programs. In fact, many top creators in the US earn 60–80% of their income from affiliate links. And now it's your turn. Today, I'm sharing a platform called AdScroller that pays you not just for sales, but also for clicks. Yes, that's right. Every single click counts. So what are you waiting for? Watch the full video, follow the steps, and start earning from every click today. To qualify for AdScroller's monetization program, you need to have a presence on YouTube, Dailymotion, or Facebook. Your channel should already be active with at least 10 uploaded videos, and it must receive a minimum of 20,000 views per month. If you meet these basic criteria, you're eligible to apply and start earning through their affiliate and PPV system. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a unique tracking code and PIN to log in at AdScroller.com. Inside your publisher dashboard, you'll have access to detailed performance analytics, including your total ad views, number of paid clicks, an overview of your earnings, and withdrawal status. From there, you can head over to the Monetize affiliate links section. Choose products or services that align with your content, and generate a custom affiliate link with just one click. Add these links to your video descriptions or comments. Every time a viewer clicks the link, you earn money. And if they make a purchase, your earnings grow even more. AdScroller processes payments through Payoneer, a trusted platform used by creators worldwide. Once your account balance reaches $50, you'll be able to request a withdrawal directly from your dashboard. The process is simple, transparent, and quick. One of the standout features of AdScroller is its detailed traffic analytics. You can track every aspect of your affiliate performance, such as which devices and browsers your viewers used, the exact time of each click, and where your traffic is coming from. This data allows you to optimize your strategy and increase your revenue based on real insights. To get started, head to AdScroller.com and click on the Monetize tab. Fill out the application form carefully and make sure you follow all their guidelines. You'll receive a response within 48 hours. If approved, you'll be provided with your tracking code and PIN to begin your monetization journey. Affiliate marketing is no longer just an optional side hustle. It's become the main source of income for many digital creators. With platforms like AdScroller offering pay-per-click and affiliate sales monetization, you no longer have to rely solely on AdSense to make money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Let's grow together.